Hi, it's Brian, and this is my project for my flipped lesson plan. It's going to be for ninth grade um, health class slash PE class, and it's going to revolve around flexibility. So ultimately, I would like to motivate the students by showing an interesting video on the depth they can get into stretching and yoga. Hopefully, this will motivate them and have something they can shoot for. Um, the standard I want the students to achieve would be achieve a level of physical fitness for health and performance while demonstrating knowledge of the fitness concepts, principles, and strategies. So one of the lesson objective I want for the students would be for them to perform the described movements. Um, I'll explain to them that they should watch my videos at home, as well as additional videos and the readings that I have assigned to them to do at home before they come to class. So some prerequisites, um, at the beginning of the school year, we would have gone over some basic stretches, and I would like them to combine these new basic stretches into the new moves that they will be learning. Sorry, excuse me. But to begin, to engage the students, I want to keep them interested by having interesting music and fun music within the videos that they do watch. And in class, I will give them time to try out and come up with their own stretches. And then during class, I'll challenge them to see how far they can stretch. So moving on to the body of the lesson. So the sequence I want them to work in is for the at-home lesson, I'll give a description of all the workouts, and then during my video, I'll go over the different muscles we will be stretching. In the video at home, I will also show the specific scientific names of the muscles, and then from there, I'll get into each exercise. For the example, I'll personally show them all the moves and show them how deep into the stretch you can get into them. So to monitor the students, I will, when they do come into class, check in on them and see how they're doing with the stretches, and help any students that do need help that didn't get the full lesson or understand the lesson fully at home. So the guided practice, during class, once they have seen all the videos and the readings, they come to class. I see how they're doing with the stretches, and I'll also pick a couple of students who know it, who are advanced, and have them help any other students that do need help. So for independent practice, I want the students to be able to recall all the stretches, and they should be able to attempt the moves. They should be able to, at the least, attempt all the moves. And so for my closing, I will give them like a new challenge pose to do that will perform next week. So maybe have them start practicing it, and maybe have them or set it as a goal for them so that they can practice it and look forward to coming class. Look forward to coming to class and trying it out and seeing if they can improve with it. I'll make sure to reiterate the importance that stretching has on the body, how it prevents injuries. I'll show the importance that you can teach family members these stretches, especially older relatives like grandparents, could help them prevent any injuries from, God forbid, any falls or any bending or daily tasks that they may get hurt from, that can be prevented, hopefully, from stretching. And like I said, get them to get ready for harder stretches that we will do in the next week's lessons for flexibility. So again, thanks for listening. I'll talk to you later.